three main goals of our PM workshop. 1, engage companies in an informal, friendly workshop where they can learn about PM and are comfortable asking questions. We pride ourselves on a relaxed atmosphere. 2, educate about history, process, application, secondary capabilities, and cost effectiveness of PM. And 3, explore the possibilities of PM, whether you are designing a new part or you're looking for conversion opportunities. Each of our complimentary workshops is customized to meet a company's needs. We welcome company teams from all industries within the United States and around the globe. We encourage a company representative from all departments to attend. For example, engineering, purchasing, quality, and production, because this helps drive the discussion. The workshops can range from 1 to 3 hours based on interest, need, and availability. We encourage companies to visit Du Bois, Pennsylvania for the full Atlas experience, which includes a workshop, plant tour, and lunch. Although we understand that this isn't always possible, therefore, we are also willing to travel to your company or facilitate a live virtual workshop. Whether a company is just starting to learn about powder metallurgy, exploring opportunities to advance their current PM designs, or evaluating their parts for potential conversions, we can customize a workshop to meet their needs. Companies leave our sessions with the information to make decisions where they can use PM in their products.